up here. I'm watching this area. If we fail, the risk reward is great for a short up here. I'll be watching it. But today of all days, you guys, please do not get stuck in a bias. Today of all days, let the setups tell you what you need to do. Have a nice short setup, off of this, and then pull back into the bottom. And I'm telling you, that is such a good stat, man. The last time that we had one that was $29, it failed, boy. It failed. And that was the best short of the day. God, I should have done the math. That's 30. I could have got short. Let's see if we can get back up here, close, and then give me a better setup. Because the stats show I should have been short right here. That's why I'm tempted to be short. This is my trade right here. I should be short right here. And here's my second chance to enter. And I'm still not short, right? And at the end of the day, I might be looking at this, and we're down here, and I might be looking at this going, damn, you idiot, you let two great trades get by you. Your stats showed you this. And we're under my key levels, right? 45.04 is just under. I don't like that. If we would have just blown up through here and we sat here and consolidated on top, I would already be long. But I'm not. I'm not long. I'm going to wait. We closed under 45.07. What I'm looking for is a bounce back into 45.03. That is close enough. This is my area I want to be short. And if we can go back to 88, there's still plenty of profit there. So from 03 to 88 is a good risk reward. I want to see how we act at the open print. If we break 88, oh my God, this thing's going down. I went ahead and got short 45.03. I couldn't pass it up. So I took profits right there. Look for a pop back into 45.02. So you guys watch for this. If you're interested in being short, that's the setup. I went ahead and took this last short right here when it hit the 5-minute 9. And I'm just looking for that dip into this. I'm going to take most of it off and put a profit stop in place. I'm going to take some profits into this open print here.
Order filled.
And I'm going to take some up here if we get there. Come on up there. Don't stop now. Oh, well, that's all right. I got one full size here. Let's go. 74, baby. Let's go.
Order filled.
It's added. So I got 2 strikes, full strikes. I got a combo going here. I'm paying myself some there. I know it doesn't seem like much, but I'm trading in the money. I just got $6 out of those. But I'm going to keep an eye on this. We're only 3 minutes into that 5-minute candle. I think we're going to, 44.62 or 59. This is a good place to take profits. You probably should be taking something off here.